Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you CapCut technique to create magic transition for seamless video editing. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have imported my video to the CapCut and I'm going to add my second video. This one, I'm going to add it to my timeline. Okay, just like this, and you can put your video to the part you want to add the transition to. Wait, I'm going to cut it. Okay, I'm just going to adjust the position. All right, and after that we're going to put mask to the second video. You can go to the mask option and select the mirror mask. Then you can rotate the mask like this guys. And after that we're going to put keyframe on the video. Just go to the keyframe right here, and then for the beginning I'm going to add the keyframe. Okay, and I'm going to make the mask like this, and I'm going to add keyframe to adjust the end part of my clip as well. Okay, and I'm going to make the mask append just like this. All right. Okay, and after that guys, I'm going to go to the animation and I'm going to add animation to the second video. I recommend you to choose the slide left animation. Okay, and I'm going to adjust the position guys. Okay, all right, and then I'm going to play it to show you the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all of the CapCut technique to create magic transition for seamless video editing. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.